Wet us down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited. Last year I did the first of this type of video and you guys loved it. So I'm here to do it again. Today I'm going to be rating PR packages. Now, these videos can tend to be a little spicy. I'm gonna preface it by saying I'm always so grateful to any brand and for any brand for sending me PR. The purpose of PR is to get products in influencers' hands or bloggers or anything alike so that we can share it with you all. Just because I don't like it doesn't mean you will not. I might dislike something, but that exact reason might be why you like it, because we might have different skin types. So this is not me bashing these brands. This is a fun way of me doing a lot of skincare reviews in a short period of time. Now, last time I did this video, which I'll link it down below, I edited it so well, but I also kind of annoyed you guys with the timer. So I will figure out a different way to do that so that I don't trigger anybody. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Look, I was having fun with Final Cut Pro, okay? I got a little overzealous. So we'll take it down a few notches this time, but I'm gonna be rating 10 to 15 PR products in 30 seconds or less. Now, last time I got better, but y'all know I love to talk. I should have been an editor at a magazine, like a beauty magazine. It's not too late, because I love talking about beauty and I love writing, and it's fun for me. So we're gonna try to do this and not run out of time. So if you guys would like to see my opinions and thoughts on a plethora of skincare that I received in PR, then please keep watching. Oh, also, I'm not obligated to share any of these things. None of the reviews that I'm about to give are sponsored. You guys know that I'm always honest. So some of the products by the brands that I'm talking about today, I love. But some of these just didn't work for me, and that's okay. So let's get our timer. I'm so excited for this. We're set. Let's do 20 seconds. I'm not sure what we did last time, but we probably did 30. Let's do 30. I want to keep it fair. Okay, the first product I'm going to talk about is the Osea Ocean Cleanser. So this is a very, very creamy cleanser. I think this is best for those of you guys with dry skin or dehydrated skin. It didn't feel deep cleansing enough for someone like me with oily, acneic, or combination skin, so I didn't like it. I will use it to travel with, maybe, or give it to somebody in my family, because it's not my favorite. If you have oily skin, you're probably not gonna like it. Yay! I had 4 seconds left. I did it. Whew, y'all, this video is so hard because I love chatting. I love talking about the things that I love or dislike. What I will say is that I love Osea overall. I'm not so sure if the skincare for my face works for me. The cleanser, not for moi. The timer is reset. The next product is the La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water for sensitive skin, and this is supposed to soothe and protect. Okay, let's go. 30 seconds on the clock. Okay, so I don't know why this is needed. Now, what I will say is that the spray is everything. Look at this. Wet us down. This is the most fine mist ever. I love it. Is it super hydrating? It's water. If you want fancy water in a can to mist on your face or to add extra hydration, it's nice. It didn't do too much for me. Yeah, there we go. So I didn't use up all my time. Yeah, I don't know why anybody needs this. It's a nice addition. It's just like the Evian spray. You don't need it, but it's especially nice if you're outside at the pool or something, because this is a metal container, so it'll keep it cool. But other than the nozzle, I can take it or leave it. It's not like, yeah, it's okay. Next product is the Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and this is the big girl, okay? She's a jumbo size, 3.4 fluid ounces. This is a fragrance size, okay? Usually it comes in a 1 ounce bottle, but they decide to make the big girl, so let's talk about it. I do like this, but for me, I am a stickler for absorption rates, like how quickly it absorbs into my skin and how it feels. This has a thicker texture that feels slightly greasy. So I think if you have dry skin, you will like this. For me, something about the texture wasn't working for me. It's not bad, I just don't prefer the texture, but for like probably $10 to $15, it's really, really great. I made it. So yeah, I'm not the biggest fan. Okay, damn. Not the biggest fan of this, but it's just a texture thing. I'll probably give this to somebody. It's not bad. And the Inky List is very, very well priced. I'll put the price across the screen. The regular size bottle is probably like 10 bucks. Okay, our next product is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. I've spoken about it on Instagram, but let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna say is that Fresh's line is too expensive, okay? The products are nice, but they're too expensive. This did not work that well for me. It is an oil and serum based, very, very hydrating product. I didn't find it did much. I'll still use this, but it's not something that I need. Yeah. They do have another product that's for hydration that's like this. I wanna say it's like a toner. 2, 1. There we go. Yeah, it's just not my favorite. I'm gonna put the price across the screen. It's probably also very expensive. I could take it or leave it. I will keep it and use it if I just feel like using something that's cute. The packaging is cute. The whole Rose line is supposed to be very hydrating, but for me, it didn't do much. And that says a lot because I have combination skin. Okay, so in that same line, next we have the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. 30 seconds on the clock, and surprisingly, I like this. I like this way more than that serum. The problem is that it's kind of right in the middle of an AM cream and a PM. It's not hydrating enough for me to use at night, but it's too hydrating for me to use during the daytime. Like, it has hyaluronic acids in it and it has damask rose, but it feels a little too oily for daytime use, but it's not hydrating enough for nighttime. I don't know how I'm gonna use this in my routine. I might end up giving it away as well, just because it's just not meant for me. And that's what's also so nice to realize, is that this product is not bad, it's just not for me. If it were more hydrating, I could use it as a night cream, but it's not. It's not thick and heavy enough, but it's too thick and heavy for daytime use. So I think, once again, if you have dry to normal skin, you might like this for the daytime, but for me, it's not cutting it. It's not cutting it. Okay, our next product is interesting. This is the Mega Babe Letouche Clarifying Butt Mask. Yes, we're about to talk about a product for your butt. Okay, this feels tingly. The pros. It did make my rear end feel really smooth and hydrated. I would say if you're getting ready for a close encounter, or if you're gonna get waxed, I would use this. The problem is that it's so messy. So you put it on, you leave it for 3 minutes, and then you massage it in and rinse it off. But it's so hard to get it off. So I would say use it before a shower, but you're supposed to use it on already clean skin. So I don't know how that would work. Yeah. I like it, it's just messy. But my rear end is feeling rather supple. So yeah, for close encounters or for waxing, or if you just wanna rub all over your butt, yeah, or if somebody's gonna be rubbing on your butt. It's a cute product, it's just messy, and I am very weird about products that are very messy, but it's basically a scrub that makes your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. It's not bad, it's just kind of weird to use. But it's cute. Okay, my next product is the Dermatology Daydream SPF 40. This is actually a moisturizer with a sunscreen. Let's go. I don't care for it. The packaging is cute. You take the top off, and it's the one where you kind of press it and the product bubbles up right here. So it's great. It's airtight. You won't be introducing bacteria into the container. I don't think this is best for darker skin tones. It looks a little ashy at first. Now, it does go away and you won't look gray throughout the day, but it's not my favorite. It's just a little too thick for the daytime, but once again, I do have combination skin. I think if you have normal to dry skin, you may like this, but for me, for a daytime moisturizer, as the name suggests, Daydream, it's just a little too heavy. But it's nice. I don't hate it. It's just not for me. And clearly I am just defying the whole 30-second time limit because after the time runs out, I'm giving you another explanation. But y'all came for the fun and the review. So like, I think I get a pass. It's okay, right? Right. Okay, next product. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This is very, very popular. And I have a comment. I don't know why, okay? This is a nice product, but the dew comes from the glow that this product imparts on your face. I mean, it's almost like it has light reflecting particles to make you look glowy. It does also smell like watermelon. I don't know. I feel like a lot of Glow Recipes products are very gimmicky in terms of the scent and the packaging. Not to say that this doesn't work. Well, not to say that this doesn't work. I just don't think it makes you dewy. And niacinamide and dewy just don't go together because how I know niacinamide is to refine pores and to soak up excess oil and to kind of like clarify your pores. So I don't know how that makes you dewy. There's something in this that makes you look shiny and dewy. I think it's very gimmicky. I don't hate it, but I don't use it anymore because like, I don't need to, like, what is in this product that makes you look like this? It's just gimmicky, but it's cute. I feel like young people would like this. Oh my gosh, am I middle-aged? Okay, my next product is the Ole Henriksen Dewtopia 5% Acid Firming Night Cream. I love this. Oh my gosh, is this the first product that I've loved? Probably. This is like an overnight exfoliating cream. And y'all know that I love a good exfoliating cream. It has AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids. So they work to exfoliate your face. You will wake up with your skin so dewy, so hydrated, and so bouncy. This is amazing. I would highly recommend this. I am going to continue using it. And I think it's great for the wintertime because it makes you glow. Woo! So yeah, love this. Like, yeah, but you know what? I love most products from Ole Henriksen. I feel like Ole Henriksen is more backed in science than Glow Recipe. And that's no shade, that's just what I feel. The next product is the Clarins Total Eye Lift. 30 seconds on the clock. And this is an eye concentrate that's supposed to lift your eyes. I don't know if it does that. My whole thing with eye creams is that you're protecting the area around your eye. It's great. This does not lift my eye. The skin around my eye. I do like the texture. It's not sticky, it's not oily, it is very creamy and hydrating, so I will continue to use this. It's very nice. I'll put the cost across the screen. Ding! It's just, I don't think it's gonna lift your eye, the skin around your eye. Like, it's nice though, I do enjoy it. Okay, the last product. This is the Tata Harper Super Kind, looking at the wrong side, refining cleanser, and this is an exfoliating cleanser. Okay, this is really nice. I just feel like it's very expensive for what it is. I'll put the price across the screen. Tata Harper's products are effective. It's also a very nice glass bottle, even though I don't advise cleansers to come in a glass bottle because your hands are wet, even though it does have a pump. You might drop it. It's just very expensive for a cleanser. It's exfoliating, it's nice. I don't think it's worth it, but it is effective. Ding! So yeah, this goes to show you that just because something is very expensive and luxurious doesn't mean I'm gonna like it. I don't think you should be spending more than $30 on a cleanser because you're washing it off. But if you like Tata Harper, if you like her skincare ingredients, if you like the way her products smell and how they make your skin feel, I say go for it. Just because I don't think it's worth it doesn't mean you won't. I just wouldn't buy it. But thank you, Tata Harper, for sending this to me because it was nice to try. Yeah, that's all I have, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. These are always fun. And I know on my channel, a lot of times the content that I put up isn't so popular, but unlike what is popular and trending on YouTube, which is vlogs, I am not a vlogger. I'm not here to share my everyday life. I am here to try out all these products and give you guys my opinion. I love being able to do product reviews for you all, and so I thought this was a great concept. I know last year you all also said that you would like to see PR hauls, so I will try to start doing those maybe every other month. I just feel weird about hauling things with links when I haven't talked about it, but you guys said you wanted it. So if that was you and you would be open to that, also let me know down below. I love this video. It's always fun and it's a different and engaging way for me to bring you guys skincare reviews. I love you so much for watching. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.